If you want to use a save folder on your Google Pixel 9 and move some stuff in it, so first of all, we are to open up My Files application. Now scroll down to your save folder, there it is, tap on it. And now you have to set a pin or your pattern. Keep in mind that if you will forget your pin or pattern, all the files in the save folder will be lost. Great. Now let's go back and let's choose any kind of file. For example, we want to move this song. Hold your finger on it, tap on the three dots and press move to save folder. Confirm your save folder pin to move, press next, and now it's hidden, and you can do this with many files. Now let's check if it is still there. Let's open up our still folder, and there it is. Also, near the collections tab, you can tap on the three dots and you can either hide save folder or show save folder. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.